Most people in Singapore think any digital wallet will give them the same experience. That's a costly mistake. Because in 2026, the wrong wallet can quietly drain your money through small fees, weaker rewards, and missed cashback opportunities. Here's the truth no one tells you. Digital wallets are not just about paying faster. They are about saving money every time you tap, transfer, or shop online. In this video, you'll learn the 10 best digital wallets in Singapore for 2026, how they actually perform in daily life, and which ones help you avoid fees while maximizing rewards and convenience. Let's start with the most widely used system, GrabPay. In Singapore, GrabPay is everywhere, from food delivery to transport and retail. It is simple, widely accepted, and often comes with cashback rewards. But here's the problem. Rewards vary, and can be limited depending on promotions. Now here is where it gets interesting. Apple Pay is also heavily used across Singapore. It is fast, secure, and works smoothly with most major banks. You just tap your phone or watch and you're done. However, like most wallets, it does not automatically maximize rewards unless linked to a good credit card. Android users rely heavily on Google Pay. It is widely accepted and integrates well with local banks. It is excellent for convenience. But again, rewards depend on your linked cards, not the wallet itself. For international spending and smarter currency management, Revolut is becoming a powerful option. It offers multi-currency accounts, real exchange rates, and budgeting tools. This is where frequent travelers start saving real money. Another major player is Wise. It is known for low-cost international transfers and transparent fees. If you send money overseas or receive foreign payments, Wise often beats traditional bank fees by a large margin. Now let's talk about online shopping. PayPal remains one of the most trusted global wallets. It is widely accepted and easy to use, especially for international websites. But be careful, because currency conversion fees can add up over time. Buy now, pay later services like Atome are also popular in Singapore. They let you split payments into installments, which helps with budgeting. But here's the key warning. Overspending can become a habit if you're not careful. Another growing option is ShopePay, which integrates directly with the Shopee ecosystem. It offers cashback, vouchers, and frequent promotions for online shoppers. Traditional bank apps from DBS, OCBC, and UOB still play a major role for salaries, savings, and bill payments. But they are not always the best when it comes to rewards or cross-border savings. Now let's put it all together. Most smart users in Singapore in 2026 don't rely on one wallet. They combine GrabPay for local lifestyle spending, Apple Pay or Google Pay for fast everyday payments, and Wise or Revolut for international savings. And here's the final takeaway. The goal is not to pick one perfect app. The goal is to build a system that reduces fees, increases rewards, and fits your real spending habits. If you found this useful, hit like, drop a comment with your wallet setup, and subscribe for more simple guides that help you make smarter money decisions every day.